You're going to be good. You're going to be doing the back handspring, the first part of it. Come right over here. Back handspring. 1, 2. Do it again. No. That's a defensive move. You're protecting yourself. I want you to look straight back. It's okay to be a little nervous because you're jumping back. It's totally okay. Don't worry. I'm not going to drop you, okay? Go back to that station, then come back. Do your back handspring. Stop. Stop. Back to it now. Faster. Back to it now. Back to it now. Back to it now. Throw your hands all the way up in the air. 2, 3. Oh, that's really sick. Do it again. Okay, back handspring, stop. Back to it now. Good. Oh, you want some of this? Oh, I thought you wanted to play around and do nothing. Come join me. Good. I thank you for being